Thomas is taking 4 callers towards the Children's Hospital in the next town. He's making a midnight one, so the tours will be there by tomorrow morning. Light your headlamps, Thomas. Off you go into the night. Peep peep. There goes Thomas along the track. Peeping. Crash! Oh dear. So far it was have broken Thomas's headlamps. What will Thomas do without any lights? He can't turn into the dark, and the children at the hospital will be so disappointed if they don't get those toys. But look, a farmer led Thomas the lab from his barn. That's better, isn't it? Go slowly, Thomas. That small lamp gives only a small light. Luckily, some more friends have arrived to help. That's better. And nice man in the children's store has offered to lend Thomas his Christmas dice. There you go, Thomas. Don't you look cheery? There's a hospital in the distance, but a tunnel lies ahead, and the tunnel is awfully dark. Look! Thomas has a special escort. Hooray for Thomas! He made it to the children's hospital. Thomas the Dickinson, you lit out the night. The end.